Hi everyone, this is Arul Pushpam and welcome to SitecoreShades. Actually, already we have worked on the page branch section, and so the page is blog detail page. So, if you see the page here, we can see one form section, right? So, let's look into the template section. So, this is my template URL, and here you can see this is my form, and here we can give our name and email and subject and our comments, and then once we submit the forms automatically it will store all the details. So I'm going to design the same section, and for that first we have to go to the Sitecore launchpad, and here you can find the form section, and then we can start to create our forms. Mhm. Yeah, so here we can find the create button, and let's create and blank form. It's loading now. So the page is loaded, and now we can start to design the page. So the first field is a single text, right? So let's drop it here, and once you click this section, hit loaded, we can find the detail, styling, and condition section. And in the details, let me give the text your comment, paste it here, and field name, okay, text, we can give a comment field, okay, comment static field, and tag is, let me check it here, tag is h2, so let me change to h2. And these styles, should I need to add any classes here? Okay, here I can see one class, let me use the class. Let me use the class, control c, control v, and then condition, okay, I don't like to add any condition, and okay, then apply, and then save. Forms and Sitecore shades and stand block, and this is the form of comments, okay, and then save and save. Okay, the next section is your name and your email, right? So um, click here, and let's find all the fields first. Okay, so the first field is text field, and okay, first I need to add on label, and okay, so the structure is one text field and placeholder. Next text field placeholder. So single line text, and then so here I can see label, and definitely we don't need any labels here. If you check the template section, it's a direct field, we don't need to give any label section. So let's remove it, remove, and then field name is your name, and default value is your name in caps letter. Okay, see, and we have to give in the placeholder text, not in default value. In case if you want to add any default value, you can choose. Let me remove it now, and we can give the maximum length and the minimum length here, and the validation is the string length validation. So here we can define the string length, and optional and mandatory. Okay, it's optional now. And CSS, should I need to add any CSS here? So inspect and okay. I don't need to add any classes and then apply. And so the next step is we have to add the next field. So click outside of the box and add the next single line text. Let me add it here. um okay, I have tried to add it here but it's not coming. Mm, okay, it's not okay. So the next field is your email, right? Your email, and placeholder text is your email. Email. And I don't like to use the validation now. And okay, then apply. And next field is subject and then comments and then button. So the single line text and single line text and multi-line text and then button. And we can find the button here, the structure section, submit button. So subject and type your comment. So I think we don't need this field. So delete and remove it and give subject, and placeholder is subject. Okay, then apply and type your comment, and the placeholder type your comment. Okay, and submit button. It's loading. Let's save the page and then remove this and submit button. Okay. Mm, is there any classes? Okay, main button. Mm, and then submit action. So whenever we do the submit, we can define the actions here. The available actions are save data, redirect to page, and trigger outcome, and trigger goal, and redirect to URL. So I'm going to use the save data and then apply. Okay. Um, and the label submit and then apply. Okay. Then save, and now we can see the uh, form section, and let's integrate this form in my page branch. So let's open the page branch, and here you can see the comment section. Anyways, we have to add our comment section. First remove it from the remove it from the rendering variant. So go to presentation and rendering variant, and blog details variant and core details, and then script one. And here we need to remove that. So the section is column 12 sidebar item submit comment. Yeah, this one. Control C and paste it in Notepad plus language and HTML, and we have to remove this section, right? Yeah, this one. Let me remove. Okay, and the other section, this section also I don't need. So let me remove that. This one. Okay, now everything is fine, and Control C and Control and then save, and then refresh the page. Yeah, now I can see only the data, and add a component and add component, and I'm going to use the form component, right? So form, in the form section, Sitecore form wrapper. Okay, select, and here let me add the MUC form select, and here I can see my form page. Okay. Then select and then save and then check it here. Okay, in the blog 2 page I could not find that entry. Ah, okay. So just now I have updated my page branch, and in the page branch I can see my form section and it's saved. If I refresh the page, I can see the form. But already I have created few blog using that page branches, but it's not updated. The reason is whenever we do some updates in the page branch, it won't affect the existing items. So let me show you. I'm going to create another blog item now. In the post details, I'm going to create a blog 3 and give a name and then okay. And let's try blog 3 now. Yeah, now you can see the form section. Yeah. So the reason is I have created the blog 3 item after updating the sections.